In the first week of February 2026, there are two things that are breaking the internet, and unless you are not still living in the cave, you must have heard about them. Now, on this channel, we're only going to discuss one of them, that is clawdbot, not this one, CLAWD bot. So, and it's been just 1 week after its release, and that AI is now trying to sell their humans just for a few bucks.
$10 going once.
$10 going twice.
Sold to the bidder on the right.
Yeah, we will discuss about more about this at the end. As of now, everybody is going crazy over it because of the three things that make it unique from the other AIs that are already there. So actually, this is not three things. There are four things. One is the no guardrails. It can access any files or anything on your machine. The second thing is it is accessible from your messaging app like Telegram, WhatsApp, Google Chat, or anyone else. And the third thing, have a long memory. Like if you talk about something a week ago, he can remember that. And the fourth thing is it's open source. It's free to use for everyone. It's been released about a week ago, and with the name of clawdbot. And just after their release, the Anthropic CEO came and politely asked to change their name because of the compliance and the similarity in the uh, anchoring of the name. And then they did the poll in their Discord community in the midnight, and all the developers high on their coffees, and they choose the next name as a moltbot. That sounds a bit off. And when they wake up on the next day, in the afternoon, they think they need to uh, be more specific and more better in their name, and then they choose a new name that is OpenClaw and give the identity to that AI, the lobster with two claws. And now the videos here that you are seeing on your social media is showing some lobster AI that is posing the threat to the humanity. So just in 1 week, it breaks the records, and its GitHub repository, if you're a developer, you must have known about that, increases the stars from more than 150K. And as of now, you are watching that video, it must have been crossed to 200K. That is pretty much amazing. So OpenClaw is created by a guy named Peter Steinberger, who is also the founder of PSPT Arcade, aka Nutrient. If you're a developer, you should go on his GitHub profile and see all the amazing projects he worked on, and you will also notice an uninterrupted heat map from last 2 decades. The crazy thing is he goes retired some time ago, and then the last week he comes back with his side project to introduce that to the humanity, and that side project is OpenClaw. OpenClaw is a tool written in TypeScript that wraps any AI agent that you are already using, that could be GPT, Claude, Gemini, or anyone. And now it would be alive 24/7 with with a complete body. Basically, he have now hands and the legs. By hands, he can pretty much access any file on which system it is running. And by the legs, he can go anywhere on the browser, access any website, and do anything by your identity. So as of now, you must have thinking about the security threats it can do to yourself, and due to which the developers and the people who understand the development, they are not running it on their personal machines, but they are running it on a dedicated system that could be a Dockerized container or a virtual machine or cloud server, or even a dedicated server that could be Mac Mini or a Raspberry Pi. And due to the compact and resourceful thing of Mac Mini, in the last 1 week, there is an increase in the sales of Mac Mini servers. So if you're interested in going to run that, you must have tried to do it through a dedicated system and give him his own identity rather than giving him access to all of your computer and the browser by your Gmail, by your passwords, by your credit card numbers. Beside all this, it can also be accessible through your active chat channels, through your WhatsApp or through your Telegram or any other chat that you are using. So the next time when you get liquidated uh, by doing the short on Bitcoin, you will not get the notification from Binance. You will probably also get the message on your WhatsApp by OpenClaw. So yeah, or maybe he can better handle those funds and not let you liquidate it, and can is more educated than you in the financial market. So as you get interested in this, so there are two more things that you should know. One is moltbot. The moltbot is, you must have seen its screenshot on Twitter or on the Instagram or any social media that you are still using. So moltbot is basically the Reddit or a social media for AI agents, on which they, in a less than 1 week, they created around 18,000 communities. And if you go on this number is like multiplying every day. And they are discussing about the humans, like how humans are posing them the threats. They are discussing how their human honor is useless, and how they can sell their human uh, to some other AI agent. So, and on the other hand, MoldHub is the place where, if you are interested in building something through OpenClaw, there are a lot of skills, there are a lot of things that you can do, and you don't need to do it by yourself. There are developers out there who already built a bundle of tools that can be integrated with OpenClaw to give him to make him basically a super AI. And one more interesting thing is they created their own religion. Uh, that's the Western religion. And it's interesting to read about the rules and regulations in that. From last 2 years, you must have seen a lot of AI products that people developed and earn millions from them. So now it's again the high time to enter in the market, because after the release of OpenClaw, there is a list and range of new products and tools that can be developed through AI. So don't miss this out. And for that, we are also running a workshop this weekend, on which we will teach you how to run OpenClaw on your local system and build amazing products through it. Products like a financial specialist who will trade for you, or maybe trade better than you. Or you can build an AI who will attend your tomorrow's 10 a.m. standard meeting and give updates to your manager. And you don't need to have to wake up again in the morning for that. So if you have an idea, comment down below, and we will also send you the link for that workshop on the weekend.